I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice test question for you on techniques for solving inequalities. In this particular case, we have to just read from the graph and write our answers. State the solution of each from the given graph. We are given graph of two functions. G of x is a parabola, f of x is a straight line. And you have to write solutions for f of x equals to g of x, f of x greater than g of x, and f of x less than equal to g of x. You can pause the video, answer the questions, and then look into my suggestions. Now these two functions, they are equal at the points of intersection. Do you understand? So when we say f of x equals g of x, we are trying to find the values of x for which both of them are equal. That is what we mean, right? So for what value of x are they equal? First value is minus 2. So we get x equals to minus 2 is one solution. The other one is right there, and that is equals to 1. And the other one is x equals to 1. So these are the two solutions for f of x equals to g of x. Now when is f of x greater than g of x? F of x in our case is a straight line. Now this straight line is actually greater than g of x after 1, as you can see from here. So it is from here onwards it is greater, correct? Because the line is over this graph, and also before minus 2, not including minus 2. So when we say f of x is greater than the graph, we could say this is from minus infinity to minus 2 union, from 1 to infinity, correct? So that is the region or the interval in which f of x is greater than g of x. Now when is g of x greater than f of x? G of x is the parabola, right? Now this parabola is greater than f of x during this interval, right? In this interval it is greater. So that interval is between minus 2 and 1, right? So that is the interval. When we say g of x is greater than equal to, we have to include these two values, and so the answer will be from minus 2 to 1, both included. So square brackets means both included, right? And if we do not have to include them, we put those brackets. So square brackets means both included. That is because it is less than equal to, correct? So that is how we can straight away read the values from the equation and write our answer. I hope that's clear. Thank you, and all